hair. I'm getting a for real haircut. We've already cut off some in the front, and I'm so hyped. I'm so excited. Today is October 6th, October 6th, 2018, and it's Justice's 4th birthday party. He turned 4 Wednesday, and I feel liberated. I'm in a new season of change and transition, and I needed a big change. I need something new. We've talked about it for a while, so it's not impulsive. I prayed, sleep, thought, cried, think about it, and I'm ready. So this is our big day, and Makeba looking all gorgeous and fab. Say hey, Makeba. All right, so we're getting it done, y'all. Bye-bye hair.
Greetings, I am Makeba Evans of Inheritance Hair Studio, and this video is titled The Liberating Big Chop. Check it out. I section my client's hair, and I begin by creating a guide at the nape of her neck. I continue to use that guide as I cut around her head. I continue to use the guide that I originally created at the nape of her neck, and I am using different angles to leave more length as I make my way around her head.
Oh, it's right there. Hey, I forgot. But I missed this part. This part is
I put a little foam around the nape and the ear area of my client to mold her hair with some Senex strips, and I put her under the dryer to lay her hair down. I am blow drying it now to make sure that it is completely dry and to work a little bit of these waves out before I begin curling.
You knew what you was doing. He was like, this is the type of place to take me to. Come on.
Her hair is complete. All she has to do is wrap it, tie the sides and the back down. When she's ready to wet it, she is going to wet it and leave some conditioner in and go. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe it, and share wherever you can find Inheritance. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Peace.